knows how to handle your time like a man.
So it's my 23rd birthday. Drinking Bruno, you know, no matter what it takes, we gotta celebrate. Staying straight, hand braided by this Muslim cat. Regulate the whole yard, and we got the straps. Say who the f is that? The X-Men rowdy, getting treated like the feds in the county.
The ball literally feels like it's almost an extension of your hand, where there's no situation on the court your ball handling can't get you out of, and where you can perform those, snappy ankle-breaking moves at really warp speed on the court without any fear of losing the ball ever. And essentially, we're giving you game-ready ball handling and dribbling ability, the type of skill that makes your coach fully trust you with the ball over everyone else on your team. So it's extremely important, obviously, to watch this video all the way through right now. If you've been in our training community for any length of time now, or if you've seen any of our programs, you know that we only keep videos like these online for a very short period of time. So watch it now while you still can. Close all your other windows, your email, your chat, your Facebook, and let's get serious, okay? If you're a perimeter player, your ball handling ability is critical to your success. If you want to play at the next level, whether it's in college, professionally, or overseas, then watch this video now while you still can. So as we begin this video, let me get something out of the way right up front. Like I mentioned earlier, you may have seen a few of my programs before. They've been, all over the world now on ESPN and Slam and CBS Sports and, dozens of other major media outlets, simply because these programs get players results. And in fact, this is a clip of a recent workout I did with an athlete of mine. You'll get to see a little bit more of this later on, but my point is this. For perimeter players like you and I, no matter what level of the game you're at, if you're a youth player, if you're in junior high, high school, college, or even a professional, if you can't handle the basketball, you will just never reach your goals as an offensive player. And it's an obvious problem. It's a problem for a lot of players, including you and I. And in fact, when I was younger, I remember watching guys like Allen Iverson and Tim Hardaway and Steve Nash who had these incredible handles and just dominated any guard who tried to play defense on them. And as I watched these guys, I realized that what sets them apart